Hello friends, welcome to Network Ninja. In today's video tutorial we have three agenda. One is to enable networking in the Vmware Workstation Centos image which we have created in the previous tutorial. Second one is to install the Nano editor, and the third one is to update CentOS 7 minimal to the latest. So first of all we will take the Vmware Workstation CentOS instance. We'll log in with the root username and password which we have created previously. And now the first thing which we are going to do is to enable the IP addressing. In order to check IP address, we need to use IP space IP space addr command. This will show us what are the interfaces that are. There is a loopback as well as ENS32 interface. But in the ENS32 interface, you can see that there is no IP address being created. So first we need to edit it. So we will be first using the vi editor, vi space /etc/ sysconfig /network scripts /ifcft ens32. Here it will show you the details of your interface configuration. The type is Ethernet, the proxy method, whether you are using any proxy or not. Then boot protocol is DHCP. I am using a DHCP IP. I will show you how to create a static IP in the future tutorials. Whether we need to insert a default route for the towards the gateway. Then the name of the interface, then the UUID. This is a unique one, and the device name and on boot. Here you have to give yes. You need to press insert key, and then you have to give on. If you are using a normal computer, means you need to use the insert key, otherwise press I. Okay, yes, escape shift WQ. This will save and write the configuration. Now we'll reboot and see whether IP address is there or not. So I think the system is about to reboot. Okay, the system got rebooted, and now we are greeted with the bootloader. We will select the first option, which is the current one. Okay, we'll log in with the root username and password. Then we will type the IP addr command. Now we can see the IP address is 192.168.1.102. Now we will take our favorite terminal emulator MobaXTem, in which we will type the same IP address. We need to go to sessions, new session. We'll be using SSH session. Host will be 192.168.1.102, and the username will be root. I'll be putting the password here. It will ask you to save. Okay, since it's a personal computer, I'll be saving my stuff. Okay, you can see that the login has happened. But see, the main thing with MobaXTem right now is that the font is not that visible for me. So I'll increase the font size. I'll just close it. Yes. Now I'll go to the sessions tab. I'll just right click on that, edit session. I will go to terminal settings, terminal font settings. I'll increase the size to say 14. So it will be visible for all of you guys. Click OK. We'll open it again and see if it's visible. Yeah, see, it's visible now. So the first thing, as already told, will be we have done the networking configuration, and the second thing which we are going to do is install the Nano editor. In the case of CentOS, we'll be using packaging manager called as yum. So we'll be installing use the yum command, yum install Nano. See how fast it is and how easy it is. Just click yes. and see how fast it is happening. Okay, now we need to click yes to confirm the download, and we need to confirm, like, there'll be a GPG key and we need to confirm whether it is the right one or not. Yes. So okay, so we can see that the Nano editor is installed now. When compared to VI, Nano is easy to use for the newcomers, and I will show you how to use it very fast with those kind of basic shortcuts, the things which you need to use it on a daily basis. So Nano is installed right now. The second, the third thing which we are going to do is to fully update the current CentOS installation. So what we will do is yum update. See how fast it is and how easy it is. You need to click just yes, that's it. So our CentOS update is completed right now. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like my video, please click on the thumbs up button and click on the bell icon once you subscribe, so you will be getting access to my videos at the moment when I will be uploading my video. Thanks a lot, guys.